Hello and welcome to another Wade Gordon Signals tutorial. In this video we're going to provide you an overview of what binary options are and an overview of the industry as a whole. So without further ado, let's get into it. Binary options, which are sometimes known as digital options, fixed return or all or nothing options, are currently the simplest and safest way to speculate on the movement of assets on the financial markets. They provide those who are new to the world of trading an excellent first base to learn the fundamental principles of trading on the financial markets whilst keeping the risks low. Binary options are mostly cash or nothing, where the binary option pays out a fixed amount of cash if the option expires in the money. This is usually as percentage between 69 to 90% of the invested amount on the trade. The industry as we know it today formed during the global financial crisis in 2008. It is actually still a relatively new product compared to other forms of trading such as spread betting or contracts for differences. But similarly, binary options are available to everyone. They are accessed through the use of an online trading platform and are generally non-exchange traded. This differs from traditional buying and selling of shares, for example, which is all done through a central exchange such as the London Stock Exchange or New York Stock Exchange, which you may have heard of. To date, there are literally hundreds of binary options trading platforms to choose from in the marketplace, as major binary options platform providers now allow white labeling solutions to those looking to quickly start their own platform. The majority of binary options platforms available in the marketplace are registered in and operate from Cyprus, and as such tend to be regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, abbreviated as CySEC. Currently, this is the most popular regulation for binary options trading platforms and gives the most protection to the consumer. Certain CySEC-regulated binary options platforms are also part of the Investor Compensation Fund, which covers traders up to €20,000 should anything happen to the platform. So this gives you, the trader, great peace of mind. Another popular EU jurisdiction where binary options platforms are registered in and operate from is Malta. The regulatory body for binary options in Malta is the Maltese Financial Services Authority. Similar to CySEC, it is mandatory for all MFSA-regulated platforms to segregate client funds from those which the company uses in their day-to-day operations. Unlike CySEC-regulated platforms, however, there is no clarity on whether there is an investor compensation or depositor compensation scheme for MFSA-regulated binary options platforms. Companies offering binary options who are registered in and operating from the UK are typically regulated by the UK Gambling Commission. However, the UK Financial Services Compensation Scheme does not apply at this moment in time. The Financial Conduct Authority has yet to officially recognise binary options as a financial instrument in the UK. However, in 2015 they stated that they are in a process of doing so. Most binary options platforms, regardless of where they're registered and operate from, allow traders from all around the world to join them, although for US residents it is a bit more difficult, due to binary options generally being offered by most platforms as non-exchange traded, or OTC, over-the-counter contracts as we mentioned earlier. It is against the law for US residents to trade this way. As a result, certain platforms have now made the move to become properly exchange registered with the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission and can now offer binary options to US customers, albeit in a slightly different fashion. If you do need a platform to trade with, you can choose from our list of recommended platforms and save yourself time scouring the internet and other website reviews trying to find one. The platforms we recommend are all fully licensed and regulated and are the most established and most reputable in the industry. Trust us, we do our research. This concludes this particular tutorial. In the next video, we'll be covering how binary options trading works and the terminology used. We look forward to seeing you then.